Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to run payroll in Razorpay. So first thing that we should do here is we just have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to search for Razorpay. Alright, so just tap it right here, Razorpay. That's right. And then you'll be able to see this first website. So you just have to simply click on this one. Alright, so right here you have the sign up option. Okay, so simply click on it. That's right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, in order for you to sign up for a Razer Pay account, you have to take note that you should have a company ID or a company email so that you can continue signing up for an account. Okay, so take note of that. And now let's go back here. So since we cannot really access the actual dashboard of this tool because we are not from the region where we can access the dashboard and create an account. So what I am going to do in this video is I'm just going to discuss to you the important information that you need to know and you need to consider if you are planning to use this tool. Right, so right here at the top, we have the payments, the banking, the payroll, engage, partners, resources, and pricing. So let's start with the pricing. Okay, so for the pricing, as you can see right here, you can start accepting payments at just 2%. This one is applicable in all transactions. Okay, so here, as you can see, you can get access to their intelligent and seamless checkout experience as well. Okay, so we have here the payment gateway. Okay, and then we also have here the international payments. Right, now let's go to the payroll section. Okay, so for the payroll section, we have for startups and for enterprises. So let's start with the for startups payroll. All right. So here we have the fully automated payroll and compliance software. So you can automate your payroll with precision, disburse salaries, file and pay your taxes like TDS, PF, PT, and ESIC from a single dashboard on your payroll software. Right, so we have automated compliance, direct salary deposit, and 1 hour onboarding. So now, as you can see, you have to create an account first. So you have to sign up for free with your company details, of course. You have to take note that you can only use this tool if you have your company detail. And then keep all the details handy for a smooth start. And then the next step is onboard your workforce. So you can enter the workforce details on the dashboard in bulk or have your employees self onboard. And then lastly, you can now run your payroll. So now that you have added your company and employee details, it is time to run your payroll. All right. So here a payroll system that does more than just processing salaries. So here, as you can see, when you are on the actual tool, you'll be able to see this dashboard. So we have a 360 degrees payroll management. So calculate and transfer accurate salaries directly to the payees, and then bank accounts with Razorpay X payroll software. So you can pay full-time contract employees and then interns and freelancers. You can settle reimbursements instantly or with monthly salaries, and then seamless process for both regular and off-cycle payroll. And here we have automated statutory compliance. So you can access compliance reports like TDS, PF, ESIC, and etc. You can easily access challenges on the self-serve dashboard and then stay ahead of regulatory changes with real-time alerts and digitally signed Form 16 and automated tax filing payments. Right here, we also have the comprehensive HR management software. So you can do more than just processing salaries with the Razorpay X payroll software. They offer features that you have covered for everything between hire and exit. So we have CTC calculator, offer letter generator, and more, self-serve dashboard for payslips, Form 16, and etc., and integrate seamlessly with over 25 HRMS partners. Next, can easy attendance. So we have an easy attendance and salary sync. So no need to manually match attendance data to payroll computation. Attendance is automatically calculated into the salary payout. So you can track and manage leave, attendance, and holidays. Seamless sync with your HRMS for error-free salary disbursals, and no HRMs. You can also integrate with the time and attendance partners like UB Tech or Jibble. Okay, so of course, strategic insights with analytics and reports. So you can track and analyze data on a centralized dashboard. Use their suite of pre-built reports or custom create one using your employee data. So you can track and analyze data on a centralized dashboard, configure rule-based access controls for security, advanced data visualization to simplify complex data, and unify data from multiple sources into a single repository. So in order for you to book a demo is you have to enter your company details. All right, so now let's proceed to the payroll for the enterprises. Okay, so again, we have automated compliance for complex needs, unified and seamless integrations, enterprise grades, and on-demand customization. So again, we have 100% automated tax filing and payments. All right, and streamlined enterprise payroll processing. So you can pay full-time employees, interns, and contractors in just 3 clicks. So you can process regular and off-cycle payouts with flexible configurability, and delight employees with advanced salary and instant settlement of reimbursement, and hassle-free contractor payments with GDS taken care of. And of course, we have unified integration platforms. Okay, and of course, you can also unlock strategic insight with the payroll analytics and much customer support. So we have live chat support, so dedicated customer success manager for any queries, agile chat and email support with the payroll experts, and a 30-minute first response time with live chat support. And of course, we have the customization on demand. So no more extensive setup, time ultra fast customization deployed at scale. So using the Toast payroll makes managing employee pay easier because it automatically calculates wages, taxes, and deductions in one system. It's directly connected to Toast POS, so all employee hours and tips are tracked accurately. And that platform also handles the tax filings and payments automatically, saving time and reducing errors. Plus, employees can easily access their pay stubs and update information through a self-service portal. So, that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.